Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create an AI video using CapCut PC. So if you go to AI avatars here, or if you go to the right, there is an AI avatar tab where you can kind of open. Here you can select from the avatar library. You can also select photo to avatar or video to avatar. There's fashion model, video translation, AI dialogue scene. So I'm just going to select, for instance, this person. Oh my gosh, that's loud. Then you're going to press next. Okay. Basically, you're going to either add an audio or enter a script. So if you want the avatar to use your voice, you can record your audio and add the audio here. By uploading an audio, or you can enter what you want the avatar to read. There's also a bunch of languages that you can, maybe just Japanese and Chinese, actually, I'm not sure. Select the voice you want, and then you're going to enter what your avatar wants to say, like, hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'll be trying the 24 karat gold pistachio labu. Okay. Press generate. I can't generate because I don't have Pro, but that's pretty much it. Really, it's going to generate what it says, and yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.